This is a room tour of room 414 at the Westin San Jose. I'm actually here for a science fiction convention, which is not my normal content, but I thought I'd do the hotel room anyway. So let's start here. We've got the restroom. It's very nice. The shower is very good. And here we have their branded toiletries. You have a nice shower and a nice rainfall on the top. And this decorative cover for the vent fan is quite nice. And here we have, let's see, makeup remover wipe. What is that? That's a bar soap and body lotion. Okay, hair dryers hanging from a hook. And this is the closet. Full-length mirror, of course. You have the iron and ironing board, a robe, something to put your luggage on, a safe, and slippers up here. Let's see. Oh, the safe goes quite a ways. Wow, that's a deep safe. Gosh. And then underneath you have two cubbies as well. Kind of surprised at how far back that safe goes. I didn't reach the end of it with my arm. So there's just a little place to put your luggage or whatever here. And we have an end table here, which has some power here on the lamp. There's also one open outlet back here. There is another outlet on this side of the lamp, and then we have the bed, of course, and this is a nice little credenza. You've got a coffee maker and some fixings for that, plus water, which may or may not be charged to you. I'd have to look. And you have a nice little fridge, which has nothing in it, so you can use it to your heart's content. We have drawers, very nice drawers. They're all nice and deep. And then on this one, we have ice maker and some cups and another deep drawer. So lots of storage in this room. Of course, we do have a good-sized TV. And we have power on the desk here with a phone, some writing stuff, room service menu, and the Westin has Il Fornaio as their restaurant, which is quite a nice restaurant. So you do have that. Over here you've got a nice chair, the same end table with the same setup, but you also have two extra power here. So there's the two on the lamp plus those, and that also has 3 USB-A. So that is a well-equipped end table for that kind of thing. And in case you want to see, we have various religious texts in case you need some reading. And would you like to see what the view is here? This is a pretty dirty window and not much of a view here, but that's okay. I'm here because it's close to the convention center, and that is where I'm going for the convention. So here again is our room. Solo Sue signing off.